I am starting a new truck build, and this is her right here. It's a 91 Chevy C1500. And what we're doing to her is we're going to be doing a LS1 swap with a T56 6-speed transmission in it, and probably going to be doing a static drop setup on it, a pretty radical static drop on it. So that is going to be the premise of the whole series and the whole channel, if you want to, you know, however you want to put it. But anyway, to start things off, we need to get a welding cart put together. That's going to be the whole video, is me building this cart. A little buddy, I got my my buddy's son over here helping me. He wants to learn how to weld and how to fab and how to do all that stuff. So I said, well, I'll help him, so no problem. Anyway, so these are our materials we got. It's just some angle iron and some friggin', you know, square tubing, flat bar, round stock, everything. I'm just gonna, you know, piece parts together, and got an argon bottle. Obviously need that. I got a little TIG machine. I got a Lincoln Square Wave 200. So we're gonna be building a cart for her, and pretty excited to get this done. I've always wanted to have this. I've always wanted to have a welding machine, so finally was able to get it, and I'm super excited to get this going. Forgot to mention that I have a friend of mine coming over to help put in a 220 volt plug for the welding machine. It's going to be going right here. So he should be coming over here. I mean, it's like, I don't know, like what time is it? Like 12:45, something like that. He should be over here. 117. That's 117. Okay, never mind. Yeah, so he should be here like any fucking minute. So also gonna take you, you know, there so you can see all that. So anyway, like I said, we're about to start trying to make some measurements and make some cuts. This is Mikey. What up? Say hey. Hey. Okay, he's a little shy, but it's okay. Anyway. All right, so we just got back from, oh, let me turn the radio down. We just got back from Lowe's, and we got everything we need to put, you know, the 220 amp socket in. But we got the wrong friggin' breaker. So we got the, what is this, the slide-in kind? Or like
home line.
Home line?
Home line and QO.
Okay. I have an electrician buddy. This is John. He's a cool dude. He's like my brother. I love him. Ha! Gay! Anyway, so we got to go back and friggin' get the right... See, that's everything we got. But anyway, we got to get the right breaker. So, that sucks. But, no big deal. Trial and error. So, oh, but I also got wheels for the cart.
Hey, I'm putting it up here.
I got little lawnmower wheels. Where are the screws? Bolts, so that'll go on the front. Also, we have, what is this, 6'2"? 6'2" wire?
Yeah.
So we got 6'2" wire, which is what we're going to be running all the power to the welder and everything, and we're making an extension cord out of it too, so that I can actually wheel it around the friggin' shop or the garage. I mean, not quite there yet. One day I'll have a shop. All right, here you go.
Is it video?
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah, and I have very basic, I have very basic tools to work. Well, not tools, but like video equipment. Like I just have
A GoPro.
a GoPro. So for right now, it's gonna be GoPro footage only, and probably really horrible, you know, audio quality. But give me some time. I'm gonna get some money, and we'll get some better video equipment. Drill, if you need a drill.
Yeah.
Okay, we have one of those.
Didn't we find one of these the other day? Come on. This way.
Yeah, that's right. What's this, the router? Yeah, that's the router. No, that's the sander. You know what, dude? We have, look, this is what we got. It's a little shitty drill, but it'll work. Dude, it'll work. It's a drill. It's electric. It's not,
Battery.
yeah, it's not battery. I don't think any of those DeWalt batteries work anymore, dude. No, it's not. Dude, that son of a bitch shoots out sparks and shit. It's so old.
Yeah.
Don't burn the house down.
You got the chuck for this?
Yeah, it's on the cord.
Every cord drill has a chuck on it.
No, the fuck don't.
Oh, yeah.
No, it don't.
You honestly haven't been to work.
Dude, he's 14.
Exactly.
Why everybody judging me, bro? You got it?
Ah.
Here.
Let retard strength mess with it.
Yep. Man.
Breaking your buddy's necks at 4 years old. Huh?
Way to go, a-hole.
Stop breaking the law, asshole.
Way to go, Big Mon. Oh, your camera's getting hot.
Man, you got little bitch hands, that's why.
The lens.
Oh!
Don't shock yourself, motherfucker. That panel is hot as fuck.
Watch us cut the entire.
Move.
What?
Move. Like, you got my fucking what?
I want to do it though.
What the
Are
professional?
you gonna turn it all off?
I'm gonna turn this whole fucking panel off.
Well,
What, your mom's up there on the computer.
yeah, like,
Go see if she can say something real quick.
She said, yeah, she don't care if you even cut the house off. Hey, she said you can cut the entire thing off if you need to.
Cut the whole house off.
She literally said that. She said you can cut the house off if you need to.
She's good now?
Yeah. She's outside smoking a cigarette. Just cut the house.
Good.
Hello. Oh, they're good?
And these are dead, like.
That's funny. My dad's got one of those, the infrared ones.
That shit looks pretty hot. Good. Fuck.
What? Issues.
No, fuck it.
Uh-oh. Bad boys. There we go. Is it thick?
You know, there's a high or a low.
I don't know, it's pretty ugly. It might not have
Aaron
it.
speeds my ass. It says 4
What?
of them.
Talking shit about my drill, dude?
Yeah, we are.
What's wrong with it?
That's what's wrong with it.
Oh, dude, it's a beast, bro. It's got so much torque. Nice.
You're breaking his stuff.
Oh, that worked too. Reverse don't work on this bit. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I was like, cool, look. Power's off. So I said, fuck it. Gotta go slow. Hey, what's the
One tears through ya. Sweet, good job. Proud of you, bud.
Hey. All I see is like little. Okay, yeah, it's clean. It's clean.
Perfect.
You sound like Pocket Pig. Pocket Pig. Our bunny here's an addict.
Alright, so what do you need now? You need the wire? Or the amp? Oh, we need to go get the fucking breaker.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that last.
All we're doing is, I mean, in case y'all didn't know what we were doing already, we're just
Look.
wrapping it around. Oh, perfect. We're just wrapping this coat hanger around the end of the wire. That way we can just fish it through the hole a little bit easier.
It's a fish stick.
Fish sticks.
Yeah, she was.
I'm hungry now.
Oh, dude, my charger's getting all fucked.
You hungry for fish sticks?
Yeah,
How lovely.
Do what?
fish
You
sticks.
said I'm hungry. I said for fish sticks? How lovely.
What are you doing?
Cutting this in both.
Oh. Just a foreskin.
Basically.
Nobody needs that.
Just some foreplay, that's all.
You get it. The four plays off. There's gonna be a lot of that on this channel, by the way. A lot of dirty jokes, a lot of stupid. So, if you don't like it,
Chris, you're a dirty man.
you ain't gotta watch it. No, I'm just kidding. I want as many viewers as possible.
Gotta get them ads, right?
No, shut up. It ain't about that, bro. It's about the passion.
It's about having friends.
Just trying to.
Chris wants YouTube because he has no friends.
Pretty much.
This is probably Chris's only friend right here.
And there's gonna be a lot of rock too, in case you didn't already. Maybe some rap. I'm not a big rap head, but
Can you see it?
yeah, I can see it wiggling.
Wiggle, wiggle.
You see the end of it?
Yeah.
Wiggle, wiggle. Bum, bum,
Hold
bum.
up, hold up. Up.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Okay, straight. Oh, hold on. You're right. Okay, you're right. Oh, come up. Right there.
Chris,
Oh.
your umpteenth time for doing that.
Here, let me see it. Yeah. Hey, put a little bend on it. Like this way.
I'm going straight.
Yeah. Yeah. You need a little bend on it. Perfect. Just like that. Up. Come up with it. I think. I see that yellow wire in there moving. Come up. Up a little bit. A little cut hair up. Down.
He's just saying that all weekend.
Right.
It's like I missed the 9-ball by one of them.
By one damn. Bro. I lost it. I don't know where it's at. Okay, oh! Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. No, yeah.
I lost it. Push it.
Oh, there it is.
Oop, there it is.
You show them a bitch. Oh, we're right there. Hold up, motherfucker. Goddamn, you can't force it in. Sometimes you gotta be gentle with it. Shit, man. Yeah! Fuck with me, huh?
How right in the kisser.
Right in the blow.
There she blows.
That's good. I don't need much. The more we use here, the less of it.
Fuck yeah. That's awesome. It's one step closer, guys.
Yeah.
This is
Just gonna get all personal.
6.2 wire.
Yeah.
So what that means is you got a it handles 55 amps. So that's your power.
It handles up to 60. Yeah.
Up to 60 amps. So this is your power cable. This is your ground cable,
Quit trying to sound smart, Chris.
and this is your neutral. Correct. All right, we need a pair of. we need a Phillips, huh?
There's also a lot of whistling here.
Hey, Pecker, where'd that flathead go?
Huh?
Hey, Tugger nuts.
Oh my god. We used to call my uncle Tiger Balls because of that.
Tiger balls.
You know why?
Don't care. I don't want to hear that story.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good, right? Like, I don't want to.
Well, it's not my fault that you talk about weird stuff.
You're the one talking about tiger balls, dude.
Yeah.
Tigre nutsacks. The tigre.
Purple and gold. What?
He goes,
Arf arf.
Bark, bark.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Here, I got that. Here, I'll pull. Right out the gate. Why is that so motherfucking hard?
Fucking right over here.
Oh! I pulled too hard. Oh!
Too hard.
Alright, what is your major malfunction, Private?
The fact that I'm trying to shove a big ass wire in the smoke.
Tiny hole.
Yeah.
They're coming. They're all day. This is a plethora of naughty jokes. Or what is that? A meme? Nice meme, bro.
Alright, I need a drill.
Drill with a drill bit?
Yeah, with a Phillips head.
Huh?
Yeah, with a Phillips head.
You need a drill with a Phillips head.
Yep.
Luckily enough, I got that right here, dude.
Oh. I don't.
What the fuck are you doing?
Just feel retarded.
It's not nice to say retarded.
Oh, can I turn the breaker back on?
Yeah.
Is it this one?
Yeah.
Things are working now.
Here. What okay. What are these? Oh,
Drill it.
cool. I never knew that, dude. There's like,
Where did this piece of sheetrock go?
right here.
Okay.
Don't yell at me.
Do you have 2 deck screws?
Do you have some duct tape?
Sheetrock screws?
Dude, like, I'm not even worried about that, bro. Like, I'll just put this here.
No,
Oh, shit.
like I'm gonna put that bitch right back. So if anything, you just gotta fill in.
Okay, so you just need screws.
Or I mean, you can put a piece of duct tape on it.
I got this.
Duct tape fixes everything.
We should have,
There's wood screws over here.
oh, you got some?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to find this goddamn magnet to go on.
Drill it.
it out, dude.
Yeah, so now you just gotta fill in a little bit.
That'll work. That'll work.
Trust me.
Dude, it looks very professionally done. Like, professionally done. What's that damn door? What them lines on? Well, sir, that's where I fucked up.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to pay extra for that. Did you turn the breaker off again?
Yeah.
Damn it.
Why?
Because it's dark.
Eat a dick.
It's dark.
Do you need the breaker right now? Off?
So anyway, I'll come back and turn the video on whenever we got everything hooked up, ready to go, and welded. All right.
2 hours later.
All right, guys. So we got everything hooked up. We got the welder right there. We got the extension cord all put together. Blah blah blah. And we got the plug in to the breaker right here. 60 amp breaker. So, you know, everything looks good, but here's the problem. We turned it on, got power, everything was great. Then I noticed that my machine was only at 125 amps. And I was like, what the fuck? So I went and looked at it, started fooling with it, couldn't figure out how to make it go up to 200. So, and look, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So turn it on. 125. And it won't go up any higher. So it'll go down, but it won't go up. So the only thing that I can see is that it is not truly a 210, you know, or a 220, I should say. What is it, voltage? So, but we got power. So, I mean, I'm gonna do what I can with what I got. So, and then my buddy, my electrician buddy that you know, John, he is going to, just hooking up my argon bottle, but he's gonna go talk to his buddies at work and try to figure out what the problem, like where we messed up at. So we will figure that out at a later date. But luckily, I'm not really welding on anything thicker than 1/8. 1/8 plate or angle iron. So I ain't too worried about it. But he's gonna ask, and next weekend we will we'll figure it out. I'm literally using this huge freaking ladder to support my GoPro. Oh, we are good. Fucking messy. Clean all this up real quick. All right, guys, so we got some pretty good progress done on the cart. We got the wheels on it and we got some supporting beams in there to kind of stiffen everything up. Got a little axle on it, but looks good, it fits good. and you can wheel it around wherever you need to.
The only thing it needs now is a handle.
Yeah, we just got to put a handle on it, and then we got to build a bottle rack for the back of it, but kind of ran out of time today. But
Can't forget the mesh.
yeah, we're gonna put some expanded metal on it. But other than that, came out good and I'm happy with it. Just wanted to have something to prop it up on. So
More leverage.
that concludes the video, and like I said, I will try and have more up next weekend. And also don't forget, if you like what you saw on this channel, on this video, please hit the like button and subscribe.